In this video, we are going to discuss about Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP. Almost all businesses consist of four major functional areas. First one is your manufacturing operations. Second one is your sales and marketing. Third one is your finance and accounting. And fourth one is your human resource. Now we also know that when we talk about business processes, there are two types. One is the business process which happen entirely within one functional area and business processes which span across multiple functional areas. Remember, we have four functional areas. Let us say accounts payable, which is entirely within one functional area, that is your finance. If it is a finance department, it has to maintain its own database. It will carry out its business automatically, but suppose you would like to integrate with another functional area, which again exists independently. How exactly should be the nature of the data? Since data replication will take place connecting to heterogeneous information systems, it will be a problem, and therefore one of the solutions to automate these internal business processes across functional areas is enterprise resource planning software. So in this video we are going to learn what exactly is enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning system is a kind of enterprise-wide information system which connects all the business processes, whether it belong to a single functional area or whether it spans multiple functional areas. It helps in automating them. So ERP is basically called as the technological backbone of e-business. It is an enterprise-wide transaction framework driven by an integrated suite of software modules that support the basic internal business processes of a company. If you look at this diagram, here is your ERP, which is for internal business processes, but when you connect to your external stakeholders like suppliers or customers, you may have certain intermediate software. For example, you can have a procurement system for suppliers and you can have a supply chain management system for customers. These systems might be exchanging data with the enterprise system, but they exactly are not the part of the enterprise system because you will not allow other entities to access information about your internal business processes. So ERP system integrates the key business processes of an entire firm into a single software system that enables information flow seamlessly throughout the organizations. These systems focus primarily on internal processes but may include transactions with customers and vendors through another interface, which is exactly not ERP. So basically organization has four major functional areas, and each functional areas you can have many business processes. You can have many functional business processes and many cross-functional business processes. For example, under finance and accounting process, you can have general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management, credit management, and financial reporting. Similarly, under manufacturing production process, you can have procurement, inventory management, purchasing, shipping, production planning, production scheduling, materials procurement planning, quality control, and so on. Under human resources, again, you have many functions like personal administration, time accounting, payroll, personal accounting, benefit accounting, application tracking, and many other things. Under sales and marketing processes, you can have quotations, contracts, contract management, product configuration, pricing, billing, credit checking, and so on. It is not about automating the business processes within the functional area, but it is about automating the cross-functional systems. Look at this example of order processing, which is a cross-functional area where you have inputs moving through various subsystems. Like the first one is for capturing the order, which is from the cell subsystem, and it goes to your operations where the planning takes place, and again it goes to the manufacturing process where the production takes place, and then it goes to the distribution department, and so on. So ERP is integrating these cross-functional business processes. Now the question is, how does it make this integration? This integration is basically possible through the help of a centralized database. So the problem is due to the independent existence of these four subsystems. So once you have a centralized database which is accessed by each subsystem, for example, take order processing. Your order data passes through sales and marketing database, which is accessed by finance department, which is also accessed by manufacturing department, and so on. So in the centralized database, not only the data about the entities are stored, the data about how to manage the workflow containing various business units is also stored. Workflow basically is the flow of information among various business entities. So maintaining how the business will flow and who are the entities and who are the stakeholders involved in between is also taken care by the programs, and this centralized database is ERP. So ERP is basically the centralized database and a set of programs which work on the centralized database to make these business processes automatic.